Before we begin this class, we should see the end result we are trying to achieve. And as you can see, if I go to this particular Power Pivot here and I click on Manage, so what I'm going to see is different tables right here. So instead of us to use VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, or even index and match, it is better we create a relationship that looks just like this. You understand? So this is actually inside Microsoft Excel. So we are going to be creating this together. And after we are done creating that together, we're going to be creating a project that looks just like this. So we are actually going to be writing a DAX language here, which is data analysis expression, is what is called DAX. So right here, it might look a lot like, oh, a lot is going on right here. Would I be able to do this? So if you want to actually see how you can do something very advanced in Excel, so this is how you should actually go ahead and attack it using a different language than or normal function. We're going to combine functions, normal Excel function and formulas with this DAX right here to create something very, very much more advanced using different tables. As you can see, we have over 6 to 7, even 10 tables. So we're not going to actually, go against, data normalization. So for it to actually stay in that particular aspect of data normalization, so we would need to actually, do that. As you can see, we don't have any data on our sheet. Our data is being held for us by this particular, engine here called Power Pivot. So Power Pivot help us to hold it. If you want to see the data view, so you come here, you can see the different tables we have right in here, and you can actually add more tables, depends on how much data the company actually has. So with this, we're going to create a custom table using the DAX or using our Power Query to actually do that. So now the first step to actually get started with this advanced analysis is for we to actually use the Power Query to clean and transform our data to what we want, and as well create the table, bring it right here, and create the relationship just like what we have right now. So I'm going to show you everything that is happening right here. All you have to do is to stay tuned and let us do this all together.